Good morning, dear students and parents. Today, I, Manju Madhar, welcome you all to online teaching program RD Group of Schools. Yes, this is our English grammar class. Today is our English grammar class. What we are going to do, we are learning about the grammatical skills. So, before proceeding, I want to request all the parents to collect all the resources for today's class. What are the resources? The word cards which are given in English grammar guide, which are given in this English grammar guide on page number 53. What will you do? You will tear that page and make the cutouts for that. As I have made the cutouts, you will also make like that. And the English grammar guide. And what is our agenda for today's class? First is questioning. I'll ask some question. Then we will do one activity with the flashcards which you have made by cutting the paper, and after that discussion, and then I will give you the homework. Yes student, now look at this thing. What is this? Marker. What is this? A box. What is this? A book. Okay, so what each thing is called? Yes, what each thing is called? One only. One marker, one box, one notebook. These are one things only, means one. So yes, how many more than one? These are many. Yes, one or more. Yes, these are also more than one. Yes, one or two. Yes, these are more than one. So more than one things are called the many things. So students, what we are going to learn today? So I have shown the things one marker I have shown to you, and more than one also. Those were many. One marker. If many are there, then what we are writing? Markers. One book, books. Box, boxes. So what is our aim today? What is our topic today? Singular and plural. To form the plural by adding s or es at the ending of the word. What is our aim today? To form plural with s and es. We will make the plural form. We will make many things by adding s or es at the end of the words. Keywords today: one and many, singular nouns, plural nouns. One means one thing, many means more than one, singular means single things, plural means more than one things. So as you have learned in the previous class also, in our fourth class, I told you about one and many, the singular and the plural things. Yes, in previous class, I told you about one and many. Our topic was one and many. I told you about how to use s and es, where to add s or where to add es. Again, this is our grammar class. Again, I am going to tell you these things. Yes student, now it is time for the activity. We have action time. In this action time, we will do one activity. For activity, I told you about the resources, and parents, what will you do? This is a pair activity, so you will be the partner of your word. Take your all the word cards which I told you and in the beginning of the class. Let's play a game to match the pair of the cards. So first you will listen all the rules of this game. What are the rule of this game? Yes, what is the rule for this game? You will pick up one card only. One time you will pick up one card. If suppose your card says bird, if you have picked the card of bird, then you have to find out its pair card. On that card, what should be written? Birds. On that card, birds should be written. You have to find out that, and then again your next time your partner's turn will be there. Yes, student, it is activity time. In this activity, you need a partner, and parents, please be the partner of your ward. And what will you do? For what is the first rule of this game? First of all, if I say bird, you will pick the word bird, and then you will find its pair. Its pair. What should be its pair? Birds. Bird should be written. This is its pair, and after then that your partner's turn will be there. Your partner will take the another card and he will make the pair like this, and this how we will make the pairs like dog. And now I will find the dogs. Next, student, then students, its pair is students. Dish, then I will find out the word dishes. Where is my dishes? Yes, it is here. Then next word is watch. What will be its pair? Right, watches. Next, photo. What should be its pair? Photos. Next, peach. Its pair should be peaches. Peaches. Then banana. Where is my bananas? Yes, it is here. Bananas. Then apple. Apples. Now box. Boxes. Glass. Glasses. Bus. Buses. Yes, I have done my activity. So this how you will also do. Yes, now you have found your all pairs. After finding out your all pairs, now second instruction. What will you do in this activity now? The cards, now you will make two groups. You will sort out the cards into two groups. The cards that ends in S or ES will go into group 1. The words which ends with S or ES will go into group 1, and the rest will go into group 2. Like bird, the word bird, it ends with S or ES or any other. Yes, it doesn't end with S or ES. Birds end with S. What is the ending letter of birds? S. So group 2, and this is group 1 and this is group 2. So now again we will sort out these cards. Birds will go into group 1 and bird will go into group 2. Dog, group 2. Dogs, group 1. Students, group 1. Student will go into group 2. Dishes, group 1. Watches, group 1. Buses, group 1. Photos, group 1. Peaches, bananas, apples, glasses, boxes. So these all words are ending with S or ES. So these all are in group 1, and the rest cards will go into group 2. Box, peach, banana, apple, glass, dish, watch and bus. Yes, this how you will do your activity. How we have done the activity. All the words which ends with S or ES, we have kept them in group 1. Birds, students, watches, photos, bananas, glasses, dogs, dishes, buses, peaches, apples, boxes. And in group 2, the rest of the words we kept in group 2. So this was our activity. Now the time for analysis part. Now I am going to ask some questions which are based on the activity only. So in that activity you made two groups, group 1 and group 2. Yes, my first question is, what is the difference between the words in two groups? You made two groups. What is the difference between those words? Yes, right. Yes, parents, please pause the video and let your Let your word to think about the answer. Yes, right. In group 2, the words ends with S or ES. Yes, in group 2, the words don't end with S or ES, except glass. Not a single word is ending with S or ES. So in group 1 tell us that there are the objects, they are many. So they are more than one, they are the plural things. And in group 2, the things, they are the singular things, they are one thing only. Yes student, now my second question is, how can we change the words from one to many? Means how can we change the things from singular to plural? Yes, yes students, the words which tell us about one person, one animal, one place and one thing are called singular nouns. And what are the plural? Yes, the words which tell us about more than one person's, places, animals and things are called plural nouns. So these are the singular and the plural nouns. So how do we change them from singular to plural? Some words, at the end of the some words we are adding s, and at the end of some words we are adding es. As in the previous class, if you remember in one and many, I told you some rules about that. The words which ends with ch, sh, o, x, sh, we add es with them. Okay, now look at the both side. Singular one and plural. Singular means one thing and plural means many things. I written here some words. Add s. With which word we are adding s? Yes, dog. We have added here s. And where do we add this? Where do we add these words? At the end of the words. Means where the word is ending, we are added s. Dog, dogs. Book, books. Apple, apples. Student, students. Now with which word we are adding es at the ending? Like watch, watches. Here I have added es. Dish, dishes. I have added here es. Glass, glasses, es. Box, boxes, es. So with which word we are adding s or es? I think so clear to all. The word which ending with double s, single s, double s, sh, ch, x, z. We are adding es with that to make plural of these words. If the words are ending, if the ending letter is s, double s, sh, ch, x, z, then we are adding es to make plural, to make the many. watch, ending word is ch. Here we have added es. Dish, sh is given here, sh. Dishes, glass, double s. Glasses, box, boxes. And if o is given, one more letter is there. If o is given, then also we are adding es.
Or we can add s.
Yes, now it is higher order thinking question. The last question. So, yes student, listen it very carefully. What will you do? Make a sentence by using boxes and glasses. Yes parents, please pause the video and let your word to think about the answer and tell them. Parents, please do not tell the answer. Let them do on their own. Yes, right. What could be the answer? Yes, I have packed the glasses in the boxes. Yes, this is the higher order thinking question. Yes, student, now it is time for application part. And parents, please give only 10 minutes to complete this part of application. I am giving you only 2 questions. What is your application bar, complete practice question 1 2 in grammar guide. This is your grammar guide.
Students, now open your grammar guide, page number 2. Practice questions. Practice question number 1. Sort out the words into two boxes, singular one and plural many. As you did in the activity also, what will you do? In one group you will put the words which are singular, and in the other one you will put the words which are plural. Now question 2, add s or es the words to show that there are many. Now you will add s or es accordingly, and you know very well where to add s or where to add es.
This is time for homework. What will you do in your homework? Read the grammar guide and answer the practice question 3 to 7. Means you will do 1 2 question in your grammar guide in application time, and the rest of the questions you will do in your homework. 3 to 7 questions it is given in your grammar guide. Yes, now at last it is time for the summarization. Okay student, what have we learned today? Yes, what was our aim? To form plural with s and es. We learned how to make plural from the singular word, from one word to make the many words. So what did we learn? Where to add s or where to add es. The words which ends with s, double s, ch, sh, z, x and o, we add es. And other than these words which are not ending with s, double s and so on, these words we are adding s, like boy, boys, girl, girls. So this is the aim. So we got our today's aim. So thank you, have a nice day.